everyone and welcome to Crypto Mathematicians channel. Today we are going to talk about MATIC. MATIC, also known as Polygon, is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. Ethereum undoubtedly is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has a lot of limitations like low throughput and a very poor user experience right now because of the extremely high gas fees and a very delayed proof of work finality. There is no sovereignty in Ethereum because it has a shared throughput and clogging risk. Tech stack is not customizable and it has a lot of governance dependence. Many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains, nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. That is where Polygon comes into picture. So how Polygon solves all of these issues is something that you can visit their website and get to know about the wonderful ecosystem that they have created. Today we are going to talk more about the technicals of MATIC and which would be good prices to enter and which would be perhaps good target profit areas. So let's start looking at the MATIC daily chart. If you zoom out, you can see that these previous two resistances have now been turned into support. Okay, so this resistance was broken, MATIC broke out, and it again came back. So this is currently we're looking at the MATIC BTC price. So what happened at that time was MATIC broke out of this particular resistance zone, and it was around 559 satoshis. It broke this resistance zone, came back to retest this particular zone, and flipped this particular resistance to support. And that is where we started seeing an exponential growth back again in MATIC. So if you want to see how long the BTC pair could go, so let's try to plot an extended fib here. We can see that the EMA started changing from this particular point, and this could be the second support zone. So let us find out till where can we see the MATIC BTC pair going. So yeah, in the near future, I believe the first resistance would be at the 1.618 fib, which is at 3,221 satoshis, which would be a good close to 30% jump from here. It could see some sort of a pullback from here, and then little consolidation, go back towards the 4430 satoshi zone, consolidation, go towards the 5638 resistance zone, and finally we could see move up towards 6,385 satoshis if you're looking for the MATIC BTC pair to take profits. Now those who are interested in the USD pair, so let's go ahead and see that. So we can see the MATIC USD pair maybe on Binance. Alright, let's have a look at the daily chart. So again, you see this was a huge consolidation in this particular zone. As you can see, for many days MATIC was trading somewhere in this particular price zone close to $0.38, and this was a good consolidation area, and we saw a breakout of this particular area. Previously, you can see like those who got in the MATIC at this particular price zone have been extremely lucky. Most of our Discord members are long on MATIC at close to $0.02, and these are the prices that probably will never ever see in the near future. So if you have not yet entered MATIC, so let's see which would be good areas to long MATIC. So we are looking at the daily chart now. So it was a good consolidation in this particular zone, and we can see that there was a breakout that happened when this region, there was a lot of buying pressure and L2 adoption started happening. So let us see till where can this run continue. So probably this would be our breakout point going up towards, you can see a good formation of a support near this area. Many candles have been reversing from here. So let us see till where can this till where this bull run continues. So I believe again 1.38 is the first hurdle that MATIC might face. We could reach towards 1.38, probably get over or may get rejected from this area and come back towards 1.23 to 1.12 zones. So these particular areas would be good, would be good buy areas. So this zone and this zone would be good buy areas from a long perspective. So somewhere between 1 to 1.12 would be good areas for you to place longs, and in case you're looking for day trading, so your stop losses should be below 85 cents, because this has been a good support resistance flip area. And to be extremely safe, you can keep your stop loss somewhere close to 0.67, because if this support breaks, we could again start seeing a downfall towards 0.35, which in my opinion is not going to happen anytime soon. So a long position around 1 to 1.12, and with a stop loss below 0.65 cents would be ideal in my opinion. And just let's look at where can we see the target areas for this particular zone. So I think the immediate area that we'd be targeting would be $1.38. So this zone, we could see some sort of a rejection here. Let's draw this. So we could see some sort of a rejection here, and continuation, rejection, continuation, rejection, and continuation upwards. So in my opinion, if you ask me, so probably if you're looking to take profits, one point, if you have been long on MATIC since close to 0.30 $0.30 area, so 1.38 would be a good area for you to book some profits, because this may act as a significant resistance zones. And if in case we see that this zone gets broken and we start consolidating near this area, 1.82 is going to be inevitable. So 1.82 is something that I'm targeting in the near future. And depending on how good the momentum is in the long term, I do believe MATIC to make a run all the way towards 2.52, 3.23 and $3.66. So this is a very long term perspective, which I believe. So this good setups would be to enter between 1 to 1.12. Keep your stop losses somewhere close to 65 cents just to avoid any wicks, and you can start booking profits at 1.39, 1.82, 2.52, 3.23 and 3.66. So keep on closing some positions here. If you look at a shorter time frame, then I believe for those who are trying to scalp and day trade, so what the good setups that I see here would be perhaps, okay, this has been acting as a good support zone. This again, you can see some wicks, then breakout, coming back to retest, again some wicks. So this zone is acting as a strong support zone. So whatever you plan to do, keep your stop losses below 73 cents or 68 cents, just like the daily chart we saw before. Now let's look at where we can enter. Let's plot some more resistance and support zones. So you can see here there was a wick down to try to take liquidity, and a good reversal, immediate buyback. So the buying pressure has been massive for MATIC. So let's see now where can we look for scalping MATIC. It's a 4-hour chart, so we can see the top and bottom out from this zone. Okay. So I believe on a lower time frame perspective, also 1.35 would be the first resistance zone which MATIC faces. We could see a pseudo rejection of this particular zone, in which case if this gets rejected, we could see the tapping of 1.15 area, which would be a good place to long. If this doesn't get rejected and if it breaks the resistance, so two conditions would be: first, if MATIC gets rejected from $1.35 area, it would drop down, so it would be ideal to place your buy orders somewhere between 1.2 to 1.15. You long at these particular areas and target 1.35 and 1.69. And in case this doesn't get rejected, so then in that scenario we could see somewhat of a breakout, and again you test the zone back for support, and then we continue upwards. So in that case, wait for a breakout, wait for the 1.35 zone to get broken. If it doesn't get rejected, so you can start longing anywhere above this particular zone, and with targets in mind as 1.35, 1.69, 2.02 and 2.23. So yeah, these are the particular areas of interest for me for MATIC. From long term perspective, I do believe that MATIC will be able to touch the 4.236 fib at $3.66. On a medium time scale, I do believe MATIC is going to make a run all the way towards 1.69 if the 1.35 resistance gets broken. And those who are looking to get into the MATIC BTC pair, I believe 3221 would be the first area of interest for you to take profits, followed by 4430, 5638 and 6385 satoshis. So hope you like this analysis of MATIC. Do follow and subscribe, and we'll come up with a lot more new interesting topics for you. Thank you. Have a good day.